Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Today I'll be showing you guys 3 different designs using fall colors. So let's get started. For the first design, we're going to layer some neutral fall colors. So start off with a base coat and 2 coats of beige polish. When the polish is dry, grab the brush from a bottle of orange polish. Start a couple millimeters down from the cuticle and drag the brush down in 3 strokes like you did for the beige. Make sure to leave some space at the sides. If you need to, you can use a nail art brush to clean up the edges. If you used a thinner polish like I did here, apply a second coat. When the orange is dry, use the brush from a bottle of dark brown polish to make a stroke down the middle of the nail. Sealing your design with a glossy top coat. The next design is kind of like lava lamps, so for this one, start off with a base coat and then a coat of sheer polish. When the polish is dry, use a nail art brush to make a wavy shape with dark brown and then fill it in. Make another organic shape across from it with orange. This design is super free, so use whatever colors you want and make however many blobs you think looks nice. When you're finished, apply a glossy top coat to seal in your design. This last design is kind of a combo French and reverse French manicure, so again, you'll want to start off with a base coat and 1 coat of a sheer polish. When the base is dry, make a line down the center of your nail with dark green. I'm using a detail brush, but if you have a striping brush, that would be way easier. On one side of your nail, follow the curve of your nail tip and tick it up in the center to connect it to the line. Then do the same thing again at the top of the opposite side of the nail and fill both of the shapes in. I find that in general, matte top coats don't make your designs last as long, so whenever I do a matte design, I'll first go in with a coat of glossy top coat and then finish it off with a matte top coat over top once it's dry. So there you have it. I hope you like the autumn vibes of these designs. Let us know in the comments below which one was your favorite. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.